everyone. I, Jhalak Patel from Algin Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication welcomes you to the session of electromagnetic theory with Unit 1 Vector Analysis with topic Cartesian and Cylindrical System. So let's start the session. First of all, for the Cartesian system, let's talk about the differential volume. Differential volume means unit meter cube. Meter cube means you have to multiply meter into meter. Means the multiplication of three different differential lengths. Means multiplication of all the three differential lengths means dr, first differential length, into second differential length means r d phi into third differential length means dz, means dr into r d phi into dz. If you do the multiplication, then the volume can be calculated by using the integration. So integration will also be of three types, means integration over r, integration over phi, and integration over z over all the three differential surface means r, dr, d phi, dz. Now, in this case, if in the example the limit of phi is not mentioned, then it should be 0 to 2 pi because it contains the one unit circle, and unit circle has a limit 0 to 2 pi. So, if in example it is not mentioned the limit of phi, then you should take it from 0 to 2 pi. For the differential length addition, the complete differential length can be written like this. Obviously, the first one is dr, the second one is r d phi, and third one is dz. So it can be written like dr a plus r d phi a phi plus dz az. Okay, so that's it for vector differential length. Now, if one want to connect the Cartesian coordinate system with the cylindrical coordinate system, then how this can be done? So for that, the conversion between the Cartesian and cylindrical system is that here the coordinate system that is using is xyz, means right hand Cartesian coordinate system, and over there we put the cylinder. So we relate the Cartesian and cylindrical coordinate system. Here I put the point P in a cylindrical coordinate system which reference to Cartesian axis means xyz. So over here you can see that P R phi z means point in a cylindrical system is there. Here cylinder is placed so which r equal to constant. So here I write r. Here the plane is crossing on the bottom side. So that's why here you can note the phi is there. Like if this is the plane, then it will form the phi. Now, if this upper side is r, then obviously this side which is exactly opposite to this, then means OQ. OQ will also becomes r. Means if this is r, then the distance OQ will also be r. Now, if this OQ is r and this angle is phi, then the coincide side means OR will becomes OQ cos phi, and same way RQ will becomes OQ sin phi. Okay, so now let's start with it. From the figure we can write that this OR will becomes OQ cos phi, and OQ is nothing but exactly this opposite side means OQ is R. So X, this OR will denote x-axis, this OR will denote x-axis. So we can write this above equation OR equal to OQ cos phi by using x equal to R cos phi, because OQ is nothing but the radius R, means OX equal to R cos phi. Same way for the next side means for the OS will denote the y-axis. So OS is OQ sin phi. OQ is nothing but R, so Y will becomes R sin phi, and Z is nothing but as it is for Cartesian as well as for the cylindrical, so Z will become Z. means z in Cartesian is same as z in cylindrical. So this is the relation between Cartesian and cylindrical system, that x equal to r cos phi, y equal to r sin phi, and z equal to z. Now if we reverse the process, means if we want cylindrical from the Cartesian system, so we already have the equation that x equal to r cos phi, y equal to r sin phi, and z equal to z. Now if we want the equation of r phi and z, then what we will do? Now we have the equation 1, 2 and 3. So for getting the r, what we have to do is we have to do the square of the equation number 1 and equation number 2. So if we do the square and then add both the equation, like if we do for equation number 1 and equation number 2, then it will becomes on the left side it will be written like x square plus y square equal to r square cos square phi plus r square sin square phi. So it will be written like this: x square plus y square equal to r square cos square phi plus r square sin square phi. From equation number 1 and 2, if we do the square and then add both of them. So x square plus y square as it is. If we do the common r square, then cos square plus sin square will becomes 1 according to the trigonometry. So cos square plus sin square will become 1. So x square plus y square equal to r, means r equal to square root of x square plus y square. So this is the equation of r. Now if someone wants the equation of phi, then what we have to do is we can do it by dividing equation number 2 by equation number 1, equation 2 by equation 1. So we will get y by x. This is equation of r. Now again we will do this for phi. We have these two equations, x equal to r cos phi and y equal to r sin phi. So for x equal to r cos phi and y equal to r sin phi, if we divide them, it will be written like that: y by x equal to r sin phi upon r cos phi. R will be cancelled out. Sin upon cos will become tan phi. And if we want the phi, then we have to take the inverse of it. Means phi equal to tan inverse y by x. So this is phi equal to tan inverse y by x and z equal to z. Okay, so this is for cylindrical and Cartesian relation from point to point. Now if one want the table of conversion, because this table of conversion will be used for the transformation of vector concept also. So as we do it for the Cartesian from cylindrical, then x equal to r cos phi, y equal to r sin phi, and z equal to z. If we want the cylindrical from Cartesian, then it will be in reverse, like r equal to root x square plus y square, phi equal to tan inverse y by x, and z equal to z. Now let's take one example related to point-to-point transformation. This is a point-to-point transformation only. Means if one point in a coordinate system is given, like x, y, z is given, and you have to find out simply r, phi, and z. No vector will be given. So how one can do point-to-point? So for that, consider one example. Use of cylindrical system to find the area of. So over here you have to find out the area of a surface for the right hand Cartesian system with radius 2 meter, height of 8 meter, and phase angle of 45 to 90 degree. So for this, to finding out the area with r equal to constant. Now the first surface r is constant. So what differential length may be vary? Obviously the second and third will be vary, because cylindrical has three coordinates, that is r, phi, and z. Means if r is constant, then obviously phi and z can be vary. Phi and z can be vary, means the r d phi is the second differential length, and the third differential length is dz. Means the differential length multiplication should be r d phi and dz. So over here the differential surface is r d phi into dz. we have the radius constant, means in place of r we put 2 d phi into dz. Now we have to find out the area, means we have to do the integration over surface. So for the integration over surface can be written like this. 2 times integration will be taken because area is there. Integration with respect to phi and with respect to z is there, means 2 into d phi into dz. Here the limit of phi is from 45 to 90 degree. 45 means pi by 4 and 90 means pi by 2. So integration from pi by 4 to pi by 2, and limit of z means 0 to 8 meter. Height is 8 meter and height will be taken from the origin. So origin to 8 meter means 0 to 8 d phi and dz. Here there is no term of phi present and no term of z present. So integration of 1 will be phi and again integration of 1 will be z. So it can be written like this: 2 into phi. So 2 into pi, pi by 4 to pi by 2 and z from 0 to 8. If we simplify it, we get the answer 2 into pi by 2 minus pi by 4 into 8 minus 0. So it will becomes 4 pi meter square. This is the area of cylindrical system. Now for up to this, if you have any doubt or queries regarding this session, you can ask me on my email ID, that is check.pancha_lgit@lginstitutes.edu.in. Thank you for watching.